Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can highlight text in UPDF. So first open up your PDF, then what you're going to do basically is just simply select which text you want to highlight. So let's say I want to highlight this one here, so I will double click on it so that I can select it, as you can see, and now I can drag this. So it's highlighted, it's basically highlighted from my side now, but now it will open up here this tool, and we have here this H icon in this kind of circle, and if I click on that it will highlight. So after that I click again on here and I can change the colors if I want to. So let's go with this one here, like that. And I can also underline. Okay, so leave it like that. And yeah, this is pretty much how we can highlight the text. So right now for this one, let's give another color. Okay, so uh, let's go with this one. And yeah, in this is just pretty much the simplest way how you can highlight the text in UPDF. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next